Tired of building Metabase dashboards that crawl like a sloth on SQL queries? Struggling to merge data from Postgres SaaS APIs and cloud storage while keeping performance snappy? This skill arms you with battle tested techniques. Connect Snowflake to Salesforce with seamless joins. Optimize slow running queries using materialized views. Build cascading filters with custom JavaScript and create pixel-perfect layouts with Bootstrap-compatible Flexbox grids. Whether you're a full-stack developer juggling Django backends, a data engineer wrangling ETL pipelines, or a BI specialist automating reports, we've got your toolkit. Spoiler alert, spreadsheets are not a data strategy. Here's what's inside the Building Dashboard with Metabase skill. Connect to Postgres, REST APIs, and AWS S3 buckets using Metabase's native query builder. Optimize 1,000 plus row datasets with caching strategies and index-aware SQL. Create cross-filtered visualizations with parameterized dashboards. Implement role-based access control for enterprise security. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Master time series analysis visualizations, build self-service analytics portals, and automate data refresh workflows right out the gate. Installing the Building Dashboard with Metabase skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-dashboard-with-metabase. That's it. Your next Claude Code session picks up expert-level guidance on Metabase 0.46 Plus with pre-built SQL snippets for common table expressions and API connector templates. Your AI assistant now knows how to debug slow rendering charts, implement drill-through dashboards, and configure LDAP authentication. No PhD required. Just run the command and watch your analytics velocity skyrocket. Pro tip: your coffee will finish brewing before this skill finishes installing.